What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Endless, checking in with another video today. Today I'm going to be showing you some earnings that I've actually gotten from the Coin app. It's really exciting stuff. I just wanted to document this on the channel, say what's up, show my face a little bit, and let you guys know, hey, we got some really cool content coming your way related to this Coin app. Possibly even a giveaway coming up within the next month or so. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you can take updates and know when the giveaway is going on. We're most likely going to be giving away a Sentinel, so that's really exciting stuff, but I'll have more details regarding that within the next 30 days. So definitely make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button, etc. And we're going to dive right into the video. All right, so here's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be driving around just a little bit. I'm going to actually be showing you some earnings, which I've earned with the Sentinel. The Sentinel, in case you're wondering, what is a Sentinel? A Sentinel is a device that connects via Bluetooth to your phone and works with the Coin app. And what it does is it will help increase your earnings by 10 times, I believe. So I purchased this one on Amazon for about 30 bucks, but I do have another video that's going to be coming out pretty soon. That's going to be basically covering some more details of which Sentinels you can choose from, which ones are most valuable, and which ones will benefit you while using this app. So definitely you don't want to miss that video. But let's go on ahead, let's jump into the video, and I'll show you some of the earnings and stuff like that. Let's go. All right, so here's my earnings with the Sentinel. I'm just kind of cruising around inside a parking lot over here at a dealership. Just kind of cruising around looking at cars. Shout out to Cloninger Ford, man, or Cloninger Toyota Ford. They got a lot of nice cars out here. I actually purchased a car from them. Really cool people, great salesmanship. So if you're out here in the Carolinas, check them out. But anyway, I don't want to get too distracted. Just want to show you guys over here the earnings which we're getting on this. And you'll see the Sentinel start to display points. C plus 0.29. Just gonna cruise around here and I'll show you guys. Man, look at that right there. That's nice. It's quite a cool. That's some Jeeps. This is what I'd like to get one day. Look at that Camaro. Anyway, trying not to get too off topic, but you know, you got to make these little vlog things fun. And in case you're wondering what a Sentinel is, it's this little device over here. I'm gonna have a review of all the different Sentinels that they have. This one is a little beat up. It's got some tape on it. I had to modify a few things, but it works, you know. You can't knock it. We're gonna do another lap through the parking lot. People are probably wondering what I'm doing, but I'm actually waiting on my wife to come out because we're getting some service done on our Toyota, the one that we bought from here. You can see that thing refresh. You'll see the little thing right here. So you go around in a circle, boom, got some more points. So, but yeah, those are the earnings with the Sentinel. And also while I'm driving, you know, when I come on up to stop sign, or you know, if I'm sitting in traffic, I'll actually play a couple ads by just clicking that little green arrow over there on the left. So we can also watch some ads and do that, which isn't too bad. But yeah, that's just a quick little review of the Sentinel and the earnings. This isn't supposed to be too long of a video, but I will tell you this, it's worth buying the Sentinel. It's completely worth it. I like it. And also, we're going to be having a giveaway here, hopefully within the next month or so. And I'll be sharing it on the channel. Maybe, just maybe, we'll be giving away a Sentinel. So that should be pretty cool. So if you're using the Coin app, you want to sign up, use the link down in the description below. I appreciate each and every one of you that are signing up with my link. I've had a couple people sign up, and I really appreciate that because you're helping support the channel so that, you know, we can do giveaways and create more content and do more reviews on apps and websites and products, just like you're witnessing right now. So anyway, this is your boy Endless. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll chat with you guys again later.
Peace.